Her mommy falling like a waterfall.
Hey guys, Krista here, aka Benjaminista, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a video I promised a while back, all about what apps or what do I use to edit my vlogs, Carnival vlogs specifically, and videos. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video if you like it. Comment below if you guys have any questions. Let me know if I left out anything. Try to keep this as quick and short as possible. I'm just going to tell you straight up, the majority of my Carnival videos, like say for instance the one I did for St. Kitts, or like basically all of them, I have edited on my phone. And the reason why is usually I don't record vlogs with my Canon because it's just a little bit of a hassle carrying it around in FETs. So I often record all my vlogs with my phone. So then I have all the video on my phone, so it's just easier to just edit it one time. I have bought Final Cut Pro. I've edited on Final Cut Pro like maybe once or twice. To me, I probably will use it more in the future. Just right now, I just prefer to use the apps on my phone. It's just a lot easier. Ooh, is this crooked? Hold on. Oh gosh. Okay, that's a little bit better. Yeah. So the first app I used on my phone to basically edit my YouTube videos when I first started coming, especially my Carnival vlogs, was iMovie. iMovie just basically did all the basic things I needed it to do. It's free. It enabled me to cut video, add transitions, add text, add titles, add pictures in pictures, you know, do little effects. And then I kind of wanted something that was a little bit more up to date, faster, and I downloaded VideoShop. And VideoShop is also another free app that you can use to edit videos or Carnival vlogs. Listen, all the videos you see me upload, they're edited in VideoShop most of the time. All of my little haul videos that I do on Instagram are edited in VideoShop with maybe some other, you know, special effects from different apps and stuff like that, which I'll share at the end. But in terms of just straight up editing, VideoShop Pro or VideoShop is my favorite. VideoShop is free, but the only thing with VideoShop, the free version, is I think they give you 3 uploads to upload without a watermark. You don't have access to all of the different features, such as like imposing a video on another video, that kind of stuff, until you pay the money for VideoShop Pro. And I don't think it's super expensive, but I'll put the price up here so you guys can see it. Another app that I use is Adobe Premiere Rush. And it's another one of those apps where it's free, but after a certain amount of, I guess, downloads or exports, you have to pay for it. Even now, their payment thing is a little bit complicated now too. It's like you have to pay extra to actually access like some of the titles and transitions and this, that, and the third, almost like an upgrade, if you will. But I don't really use it a lot on my phone, and the reason why is, well, I do use it, but the reason why I don't use it like for long vlogs, I'll only use it for like IGTV or Instagram videos, which are like a minute to 2 minutes or 3 minutes long, is that the app often will like kick me out when I'm trying to like do stuff on it. Like if the video is too long, it's almost like it can't handle all the video. I've never had that problem with VideoShop. I like Adobe Premiere Rush because it just has a lot more fonts than VideoShop. It has a lot more options in terms of how you can, you know, customize like your titles, this, that, and the third. It has better titles too than VideoShop and iMovie together, I think. It's just that when you put a long video in there, I don't know if it has to do with storage on your phone or whatever, it's just, it'll automatically like kick you out. So just FYI. But I do like it because with editing, it's just very easy to kind of manage. Like if you want very like sharp edits, transitions, Adobe Premiere Rush is definitely the app you want to download. I mean, I would say if that's the only thing you're going to use, maybe pay for it and just use that. But I don't see it being able to edit longer vlogs. Maybe it's just me though. Maybe it's just my phone that just had a lot of stuff on it and my phone just couldn't handle it, you know. I'm actually going to show you guys how I edit a video in VideoShop, which is my favorite. So I'm actually taking a little bit of video now of me to actually show you guys how I do my vlogs. I mean, happy face, sad face, ugly face, I don't know, something. But I just want to show you guys a quick edit on how I use VideoShop, like adding music, adding a transition, imposing a video or a photo, and also maybe even adding some audio over it too, as well as some text. So I'm going to do all those things with this quick video. Oh, it's still crooked. Is that better? Yeah, I think it's better. So like I said, I'm going to try to keep this as quick as possible, but I'm going to open up the app and I'm actually going to screen record as I talk so you guys can see as I do it, right? Okay, so I opened up VideoShop. I'm going to press the plus sign in the corner and I'm going to press import clip. What I want to show you guys first is how I cut the video into different pieces. There's a trim option, which is what I'm doing now. I'm trimming. So you're taking a little bit of video now of me. So you're taking a little bit of this quick video. So I trim the edges first because I like to make sure I don't have any like weird cut the camera moments. So it's trimming. You can also split, but the music, imposing a video on how I use VideoShop. Show you guys a quick edit on how I use VideoShop. I just want to show you guys a quick edit on how I use. So I want to split it there because I think I did something in the first part where I don't really like the faces. Vlogs and happy face. My vlogs and I do my vlog. Show you guys how I do my vlog. Do my vlog. Do my vlogs. All right, so now I have two videos, right? So let me put a transition in between these two. So I slide over and I can pick what type of transition I want. So I want slide left in between. You can actually time it too for how long you want the transition to last, but I'm just going to press play. I'm going to move it over so that I can see what the transition looks like. I just want to show you guys a quick edit on how I use VideoShop, like adding music. All right, so the next thing is we're going to add some music. Actually, we're going to add just a sound effect. So I'm going to add a sound effect. I just want to show you guys a quick edit on how I use VideoShop, like adding music. So we're gonna go to the music, sound effects, go to accents, play what you want. I don't really like that. Let's use the good idea accent. We're gonna put it right there sometime, and you can even lower the sound. Like adding music, adding a transition, imposing a video or a photo, and also maybe even adding some audio over it too, as well as some text. So I'm going to do all those things with this quick video. All right, so we did that part. So now we're going to add, I want to show you guys how I impose a video or a photo. So I'm going to go, you see impose says pro. So I'm going to go, ooh, look at all these videos. Anyway, photos. So I'm imposing a photo of me that I took earlier today. And also maybe even adding some audio over. So adding audio is like especially if you're talking over video is a little bit difficult, but I'll show you guys what I mean. I'll just do like something real quick. Yeah. So I added audio. Even adding some audio. Yeah. As well as So all you have to do to add audio is actually click on the voice option. And the last thing I'm going to do is add some text. So VideoShop has a pretty good, you know, decent, I'm going to add it at the beginning. They have good fonts. So you can pick whatever font. I think they have way better fonts than iMovie for real. So yeah. I'm hoping this video is less than 10 minutes because I did promise y'all a short video. So I'm going to go with AI in white. I'm going to title it How I Edit My Carnival Vlogs. Not blogs, vlogs and video. And you can change how long you want the text to show. You can change how it enters. You can also change the style of the text. You can change the color. You can change any little effects that you want to put on it. You can like do whatever. You can change the orientation. You can bold it, underline it, italicize it. Actually taking a little bit of video now of me to actually. All right. And then that's actually it. At the end, you just literally export the video. You can save it straight to your phone and then you can upload it to YouTube. And that's definitely one of the reasons why I typically edit on my phone. Sometimes I don't have the time to even upload videos to my computer, from my phone, from my camera. My camera just uploads everything to my phone automatically. So it's just easier to just keep everything on there. I know storage can be a little bit of a biatch, but my one tip for you guys in terms of storage is anytime you do a video, upload it to Google Drive. Like just make a folder, says Carnival Vlogs, videos, whatever type of video it is, upload it to Google Drive. So if you need it for later, you can just download it later. Oh, the extra apps that I utilize for like just video content purposes. I'm sorry, y'all, it's raining outside. It's like thunder and so is Florida. So, you know. 3 apps that I really like are Mojo, Prequel, and VSCO. What I like about VSCO is that it will like almost like a picture, like edit video. I know people do like color changes and all these different things. I'm not versed in that yet. Maybe I will later down the road. I actually like my vlogs to look very real and not so much filtered, if that makes sense. Like right now, no filter. Anyway, just makeup, oil, right? Prequel I like because it allows you to put like an overlay over your videos, but it gives you a little bit of problem if the video is a little bit longer. So I want to say longer than a minute, but it gives you like that nice little I'll show you a photo I put like a filter over, but you can also do this on a video. Oh no, I'll show you this video that I put a filter over. Like, you know, it kind of makes the video pop if you feel like it's boring or you want to try something new, this, that, and the third. The third one is Mojo, and I pay for this app, but there is a free version. I noticed everybody was using this tear paper style for their Instagram stories, and I was like, oh, I didn't want to use that, but I wanted to find the app that actually did it, and it was Mojo, and it has various templates and layouts that you can use to spice up your Instagram stories and stuff like that. I'm sure there's more stuff out there. If you have any suggestions of other apps and stuff that you guys use, then drop them in the comments below. But this is what I use, and this is probably what I'm going to use. I don't really want to learn a new app right now, but I am open to like anything that's kind of quick and easy and stuff like that. But these 3 have been saving my life as of recent. So yeah, any other questions, you guys, just let me know. Drop it in the comments below. Check out my Carnival playlist here. Check out my other playlists. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, you know, please. Yeah, more content to come. Thank you guys. Oh, also I upload every Sunday from now on. Yeah. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.